Welcome to Screengoat. How I generated this commercial from a couple of clips and a lot of help from AI. Let me show you how I did it.
For generations, the original kitchenette broom is handmade for durability. Lightweight at just 14 ounces and crafted with authentic broom corn. Made right in the USA since 1936.
The kitchenette feels like home.
Get yours on Amazon today.
I uploaded the product description into ChatGPT and asked for a 20 to 30 second commercial script. So I refined the script until I was satisfied. I copied the VO script into OpenArt and selected the AI voice I thought would work well. I exported the VO and put it into my timeline in Premiere Pro. Suno generated a very cool jingle and I used it as my background music for the commercial. I put the broom clips that we shot and I liked into my Premiere Pro timeline. But I wanted to take our clip of the young woman sweeping and turn it into a match cut sequence of multiple people sweeping in various locations. So I put our original clip into OpenArt and gave it some prompts like what the character should look like, what clothes they should wear, that the character should hold our broom, and what backgrounds I wanted. I downloaded these clips and put them into Premiere Pro to create the match cut sequence. Now the logo. I uploaded the image and prompted OpenArt to create an animated logo. This is what happened. I put all the elements together, adjusted the timing, and I couldn't be happier with the results. On another note, one of our students created a fantastic commercial but accidentally left the tripod in the shot. AI was able to remove and replace that shot in seconds. I was very impressed. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Screengoat.